Carolina lawmakers have agreed to dissolve one of the state's largest agencies. A bill that would split the State Department of Health and Environmental Control is now headed to the governor's desk. Our Jason Raven has what it really means for you.
For at least the last 2 years, lawmakers have considered legislation that would split the State Department of Health and Environmental Control. Currently, there are more than 3,500 employees working at more than 100 offices within that state agency. Now, last week, lawmakers passed a bill that splits DHEC into 2 cabinet agencies.
Taking a holistic look at public health for really the first time that I can remember.
State Department of Health, made up of health components of DHEC, and the State Department of Environmental Services, made up of the environmental division of DHEC. Now, the split doesn't take place until July 1st, 2024, so DHEC will continue to operate as is. Now, the State Department of Administration has been tasked with figuring out the best way to execute these changes.
When you're doing something this comprehensive with this many moving parts, it's very important that you get it right. It's very important that you have professionals come in that are experts in system analysis to make recommendations to us as to what is the most efficient way to deliver these public health services to South Carolinians.
The Department of Administration will also study other agencies that offer health services, like the Department of Mental Health, Department of Alcohol and Other Drug Abuse Services, to see if they should be restructured into the new Department of Health. Now, Governor Henry McMaster is expected to sign this bill into law. Now, he voiced his support of the split.
I think it'll work better. It's too big. It's 3,500 employees covering everything from licensing restaurants to fish to pollution. It needs to be an environmental agency and a health agency. I think it'd work better separated.
Under the legislation, the state's veterans nursing homes will be moved from the Department of Mental Health to the State Department of Veterans Affairs. In Columbia, Jason Raven, 7 News.
The governor will appoint the directors for the 2 cabinet agencies with advice and consent from the Senate.